So here's part 2 of 1.3. So in this next question, the examples that we're looking at have an index of something other than 2. So A and B, the index is 3, and in 4, in 4, the index is 4. Okay, so let's take a look at how you do that, these ones. So you start off the same way you need to factor. So here we have 512, so I'm going to factor this. It goes 2, 256, 2, 128, 2, and 64, 2, 32, 2 and 16, 2 and 8, 2 and 4, 2 and 2. All right, we had a big factor chain there. Now, because our index is 3, we are looking for groups of 3. So there's a group of 3, there's a group of 3, and there's a group of 3. So now we're going to rewrite this equals, we do our root sign. Make sure you put the same index that matches up top here. So this and this need to match. And then we're going to write this with our exponents. So we have one group of 2 to the 3. We have another group of 2 to the 3. We have a third group of 2 to the 3. Okay. And now any number under our root sign that matches the index, they're going to cancel out. So it can be moved out of the root. So here, match, match, match. All of these are match. So we can say that this and this cancel. And we get 2 times 2 times 2. And when we multiply that together, it gives us 8. So for this question, our final answer is 8. All right, let's look at the next one. So again, here we have an index of 3. We need to start off with factoring. So we get 2 and 3, which are not 3, 13, 72. We get 2 and 686. We get 2 and 343. So now this ends in a 3. It's not even, so we can't take out a 2 again. But this does divide by 7 and 49. And 7 breaks down into 7 and 7. So we're looking for 3 identical numbers. We have 3 2s and we have 3 7s. I don't like that circle. Let's try again. There we go. 3 7s. So now I can write this. I'm going to have my root with my index that matches the initial question. And I have 3 2s, so 2 to the 3, and 3 7s, 7 to the 3. And then this, and this, and this will cross out. So I get 2 times 7. I multiply 2 and 7 together, and I get 14. So my final answer for this question is 14. And remember, with these questions, a very good idea is once you've done it, you go back to the original, put this into your calculator, and get an answer, and make sure it matches the answer that you find here. Okay, so one last example to try. This time, our index is a 4. So now we're looking, it's exactly the same, except now we're looking for 4 identical numbers. So we're going to start off by factoring. So 81 gives us 3 can be taken out. Then we have 27, 3, 9, and 9 breaks into 3 and 3. So we're looking for 4 identical numbers. So here we have 4 3s. And we can write this as, we write our index with a 4 inside, so it matches our initial one up here. And then we have 3 to the 4, and this and this cancel because they match. So we just get 3. And that's the final answer for this one. Okay, and then you can go back, put this into your calculator, and make sure you get the same number here. So for this section, your homework is on page 26. It's number 2A to F. And this is the end of section 1.3.